again to Theclastyle. I'm Sharon, your host. So guys, today I'm very excited to be participating in a collaboration hosted by the lovely Marilyn and Vee-ology Voneessa and the lovely Shangie. So please do check out those ladies, and their information is going to be in the description box below. And sit back, relax, and enjoy our presentation. Guys, I was so happy to jump on board with this because I'm having guests over and I love to decorate my outdoor. It's not finished yet. Remember, I did my outdoor video. We still haven't gotten little stuff done, but I like to enhance it, especially when I have to enjoy this space. So stick around and see what we came up with. Catch you in a bit.
So guys, this is my outdoor space. Not much has been done since I showed you the renos. We are working inside. Guys, it's dry season right now and everything is dry. My plants are, they are not getting water. The rains aren't coming, but I'm still gonna make it look pretty. So what I like to do when I'm doing my outdoor decor, I always take off all the dead leaves from the plants. I sweep and I would do overall scrubbing out. So I'm just tending to everything. These are some logs my son cut with his friends. They were doing some work just across from us, and I'm clearing away all my plants, the old railings that was blocking the dogs when they were small. So that is how long that was there. So I'm just giving a sweep out and then I would scrub.
I brought out my table. Guys, I'm going to show you how I did this rustic farm table, and the logs are set around them, and I will also show you how I did this lovely boho style planter. So I did put this palm in the center. Originally it was in the corner, and I put the two ferns on either side. I still have to put one in this spot. I'm now going to start on this section to decorate. So I have this little planter box just in front as you enter into the front space. Some lovely plants growing here. This is a coleus. There are different types of coleus, and I have a lily and I have some periwinkles. I also have a beetroot springing up here, and I just thought, I would leave it. It looks gorgeous together with it. Right. So I have this broken pot. I did a fairy garden out of one. I'm going to share those with you. But I'm thinking of just adding it into the space right just here. To plant some of the lilies, not damaging any one of the other plants. So it looks like a planter coming out of a plant. So that will be there, and I'll put another one on this side. This one is not as big as the other one, but I'll just fit it right by the spoon. It also looks like a planter. So this is how that's looking. So my son got these lovely pieces. Check out the character on this piece of wood. Here's burnt, and he pulled out the bark from it, and it looks gorgeous. So all I'm doing is planting it around, and I have a lot of pieces like these. I'm just going to place them. This, guys, is from an aquarium, so I just rested.
So I have these chairs, plastic chairs, and it's like forever we have these. It's 4 of them, but it's seen some wear and tear, and I'm deciding to give it a spray paint. I have half a can in the grey, and I just use it out on the 2 chairs. I left the seat because I'm thinking of doing just a slip cover for it, just for it to look good. I have this fabric here. It's an outdoor fabric, but my intentions is to do a cushion cover for it, a removable cushion cover. So when the stores are open up, that is what I'm going to be doing next. So here we are back outside, and like I said, I love to decorate with my plants. So all my plants are set out, they're watered. This is another DIY table I have to share with you guys, and this is on the other side, and this is the space I'm working with. I also have to put some lights around the pond. We have coconuts around, coconut trees, lots of them down in the back, and I love to decorate with natural things that we have. And guys, these slip covers turned out pretty nice, and like I say, I'm going to share this DIY table with you.
All I've done so far is run some lights along the outside of the railing. So also what I've done is just run some lights on the top here, and I drape fabrics. I have 2 pieces flank on either side, and then I have this piece on this other side.
So guys, this is a pole pot, normal Trini tradition. Every home would have had one of these, and normally we do roast bake and cook yardy and stuff in it. Now upstairs porch is finished. I've run some lights, and this is what we see from downstairs when we're looking up. Now my son normally likes to sit here and play his music, so he'll be playing music for us anytime we have guests over. And I am having my daughter and her baby, newborn baby, come over. So this is set. I'm finished, guys, finally. And this is my setting, my outdoor setting. We still have the flooring to do, to put tiles, but I've set my lantern with my lights, and it is just, it's a bottle lantern inside of a lantern, and you're gonna see another collab with this piece, guys. And I so enjoy sharing this with you. This space is so inviting, it's so natural. You just want to sit there and take in the moonlight. And guys, actually the moon was out in full. So this is how it looks, and this is around the pond. I am loving this, guys. I hope you enjoy. This actually is supposed to look like a peacock, how I lay it out, and I hope you like it. I so enjoy looking at this. Now this was the last space to do, and I am just setting the plants back in the area here. I just change around a bit. I'm moving the soil, I'm just adding some pieces, and I actually want to run lights around here also. And like I said, that will be it. So I'm just putting back some plants, adding the fern in the new planter box, and I'm so enjoying this, guys. I am so happy I did this collaboration. I have some bottle lanterns also that I'll be adding outside, and thanks to Marilyn and Voneessa and Shangie for doing this collaboration. I enjoyed it. Thanks, ladies. Do check out the playlist at the bottom. You'll see all the host channels, and these are all my lantern lights hanging. And guys, thanks for spending this time with me. I hope to see you next time. I appreciate you stopping by, and I'm so loving this.